Hi, I'm Darren Millar, the Assembly Member for Clwyd West. I'm serving my second term in the National Assembly, having first been elected in May 2007. I represent a wonderful constituency right in the heart of the North Wales coast, where seaside tourism is really important in towns like Colwyn Bay and Tywyn and Kinmel Bay. And then further afield, I represent some of the most beautiful parts of the Vale of Clwyd in North Wales, including the wonderful old market town of Rhuthun. And of course, in those rural areas, agriculture is an extremely important part of the economy. I first became involved in politics at the age of 15 when I joined the Conservative Party and helped out in an election campaign in 1992. And I've been involved ever since, really. First became elected as a local councillor on the Tywyn and Kinmel Bay Town Council, and even became the mayor of Tywyn and Kinmel Bay at the age of 22, a record which I still believe is unbroken in Wales in terms of me being the youngest mayor in the country. Also served as a member of Conway County Borough Council before being elected to the National Assembly, and had a real job in real life outside of politics as a manager for an international charity looking after the North Wales and North West of England region. It's a pleasure to serve my constituents down here in Cardiff Bay, making representations on their behalf to ministers and helping to scrutinise the government. But I also enjoy my constituency duties up in North Wales just as much. If any of my constituents want to get in touch with me, they can of course click onto my website www.darrenmillaram.com, where you'll find a full schedule of details about how to contact me, both in my constituency office, which is based in Abergele, and also down here in Cardiff Bay. I'm also on the social media, on Twitter and Facebook, and I have many constituents who choose to contact me via the social media as well. So I look forward to hearing from you. Please don't hesitate to get in touch if there's any way that I can help you at all, and look forward to seeing you soon.
Cynulliad Cenedlaethol Cymru yw'r corff sy'n cael ei ethol yn ddemocrataidd I gynrychioli buddiannau Cymru a'i phobl, I ddeddfu ar gyfer Cymru ac I ddwyn Llywodraeth Cymru I gyfrif. I gael rhagor o wybodaeth ac I ganfod pwy sydd yn eich cynrychioli, ewch I cynulliadcymru.org neu gallwch chi'n dilyn ar Facebook a Twitter.